Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin. So it's April 29th, and I have today's announcements presented thusly right here on this screen. So I had said the other day that money does not create happiness, and a couple people reached out to me and said, no, baloney, Mr. Martin, money can make you happy. So I'm here to tell you that's not true. I'm going to present you some facts to back up what I'm telling you. What really makes you happy are acts of kindness, acts of gratitude, supportive, loving relationships, and doing things for others. It is a mistake to think money makes us happy. In fact, money does not increase our long-term happiness. Check out this study by Ditella, started in 1985, ended in the year 2000. What you'll see here is an increase in salary over the years, from below $56,000 to over $65,000. That's the salary increase that these people were making. Here's their happiness level. It stays flat. In fact, the more money you make, the more money you think you should make. Let's go to lottery winners. What about lottery winners, Mr. Martin? Winning the lottery certainly makes you happy. Well, of course it makes you happy, but it's not sustained. Here is a lottery winner's happiness after they've received their bump. They rate themselves as at a 4 out of 6. Let's say 6 is like, I'm in heaven, kind of happy. They're at a 4. They rate themselves, not me, okay? A control group, a group of people like me who have not ever won the lottery and don't really think that I might, although I'd like to give it a shot, I'm at a 3.82. Normal people, their happiness level is 3.8. Round that up to 4. That is not statistically significantly different. So, another piece of data, a Brickman study. Let me get to that. If happiness for lottery winners is at a 4.0, 4, this is their baseline. After a lottery winner wins the lottery, they get a boost in happiness, but after about 1 year, in fact less than that, they are back down to their baseline happiness. Let me give you another piece of information. Car accident victims, people who have become paraplegic. Over 24 people were asked about this, the same number of lottery winners. Their baseline happiness, let's say it's about a 4. After the accident, of course it went down. But after a year, it was at or met our lottery winners' happiness. And then an average person, a control group, they're right at 4 all the time anyway. Money does not make you happy. What makes you happy, Wildcats? Well, these people make you happy. Your heroes make you happy. People you care about make you happy. Acts of kindness, acts of gratitude, supportive, loving relationships, and doing things for others. That's what creates true happiness. You wanted some facts? I'm giving you some facts. So, what should I do about this, Mr. Martin? Well, don't chase the almighty dollar. Instead, just try to add value everywhere you go with kind, grateful, an attitude of service. Because that's, Wildcats, is what really matters. Okay, everybody, stay well. Until tomorrow.